Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's Nails by Riss here, and this is just going to be a short video today to show you how I complete a acrylic nail application. After filling in all of the nails with acrylic, I start by filing the side walls and the free edge, and then I move in to smooth it out with my electric file. Filing after the acrylic application is very important in order to make the nails look consistent and uniform. Before going in with my no wipe gel top coat, I made sure to wipe off any dust or residue that was left on the nails. This is the final look after filing for this acrylic set. I hope you enjoyed watching this video, and please subscribe to my channel.